There isn't much of a track record for the Toyota Venza. It was removed from production in 2015 after being introduced as a crossover in 2008. Reimagined and relaunched in 2021, it remains a 5-passenger crossover. However, it is now advertised as a hybrid-only model with an emphasis on its SUV-specific features. Some people say that Venza is just an overpriced RAV4. Maybe they are right, but we are interested in new Venza's problems. And today we will discuss this topic. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Windshield cracking and visibility problems. There have already been 27 complaints about visibility or wiper issues as of the end of January 2022. These all discuss windshield cracking. Some Venza owners have heard a stone hit their windscreen, while others claim that the cracks appear to form of their own volition. The earliest event to be reported occurred in November 2021, and the most recent in January 2022. Therefore, we are unable to connect it to older vehicles. Even though each circumstance has a unique story to tell, the overall situation is the same. The windshield cracks. We cannot ignore the issue of visibility obstruction because it presents a significant risk. Fuel gauge problems. The fuel and propulsion system of the 2021 Toyota Venza received a lot of criticism. The problem is the tank gauge doesn't seem to read correctly. As a result, drivers are unaware of their remaining fuel level. You run the risk of running out of fuel, which could be dangerous. Exterior lighting. A few owners complained that when they turned on their car's headlights at night, there was a shadow or dark spot. Driving at night in areas with poor lighting became challenging because of the dark spot that appeared on both headlamps. Seatbelt malfunction. The owner claimed that following a collision with another vehicle, the front passenger seatbelt failed to properly restrain the occupant, resulting in injury to the passenger. A physical examination for the fault was refused by the automaker, but the owner was informed and given minimal assurances of assistance. Recall. Turn signal lights are subject to one recall. They might fail. A short circuit can result in the rear turn signals and hazard lights dimming or failing, which decreases the vehicle's visibility to other drivers and raises the likelihood of a collision. Dealers will, at their discretion, replace the rear turn signal light assembly and both rear LED bulbs for free. Being a new entry in the market, it might be challenging to find a used Toyota Venza hybrid. It would be a wise choice to choose a used example if you can find one at a lower cost because of the value it provides. The older generation Venza, on the other hand, has a proven track record of dependability dating back to the 2015 model year and earlier, so you can do so with complete confidence.